Gentlemen, let me ask you something that many men think about but rarely say out loud. Have you noticed that things simply don't feel the way they once did? Perhaps sensitivity has gradually declined, firmness isn't as consistent, or recovery takes much longer than it used to. If you're over 50, these changes can be frustrating, and many men assume they're simply an unavoidable part of aging. But what if I told you there is another side to this story? What I'm about to share isn't about expensive supplements, miracle pills, or temporary solutions. It's about helping your body perform the way it was designed to by using one of the simplest forms of tissue care available, natural plant oils that help protect delicate skin, support healthy circulation, and maintain comfort over time. I'm Dr. Jodie Whittaker, and after more than 15 years of helping men improve their intimate health naturally, I've noticed the same pattern again and again. Many men spend hundreds of dollars searching for complicated treatments while completely overlooking one of the most important factors affecting long-term tissue health: proper lubrication and skin protection. The difference is greater than most people realize. Healthy, well-nourished tissue is far less likely to become irritated or damaged. Better hydration helps maintain elasticity, supports comfort, and creates the conditions needed for healthier nerve function and circulation. Today, I'll explain 5 natural oils that stand out for supporting men's intimate skin health, why they often outperform many synthetic products, and how to use them safely to achieve the greatest benefit. Before we discuss the oils themselves, it's important to understand what actually changes inside the body after 50. Once you understand those biological changes, you'll see why caring for this delicate tissue isn't optional. It's one of the smartest investments you can make in your long-term health. Before we look at the oils themselves, we first need to understand why so many men notice these changes after 50. Dr. Jodie Whittaker believes that once you understand what's happening beneath the surface, the solution begins to make much more sense. As we age, our skin naturally changes. The tiny glands responsible for producing the protective oils that keep our skin soft and flexible gradually become less active. By the time many men reach their 60s, those glands are producing significantly less moisture than they did decades earlier. The result is thinner, drier, and more delicate tissue that's much more vulnerable to irritation. Every time dry skin is exposed to repeated friction without proper lubrication, tiny microscopic injuries can develop. You won't see them with your eyes, but your body certainly notices them. Over time, these repeated injuries may contribute to reduced comfort, loss of elasticity, and gradually decreasing sensitivity. There's another important change happening at the same time. Your body also begins producing less collagen, the structural protein that helps keep skin strong, flexible, and able to recover after everyday stress. What once healed overnight may now require several days, allowing minor irritation to accumulate instead of disappearing quickly. The changes don't stop at the skin. Blood vessels also become less flexible with age. They respond less efficiently to nitric oxide, the natural molecule that tells arteries to relax and allow healthy blood flow. As circulation becomes less responsive, many men begin noticing reduced firmness and slower recovery. Even nerve endings can be affected. Years of dryness, repeated friction, or exposure to harsh chemicals found in some commercial products may gradually reduce sensitivity. That's why proper tissue care becomes increasingly important as men grow older. Understanding these changes helps explain why choosing the right lubrication isn't simply about comfort. It's about supporting healthier skin, protecting delicate tissue, and creating the conditions that allow circulation and sensitivity to remain stronger for years to come. Now that you understand why tissue changes occur with age, let's talk about why Dr. Jodie Whittaker recommends natural oils instead of many commercial lubricants. Most products sold in stores are designed to provide immediate slipperiness, but not necessarily long-term skin support. Many contain ingredients such as artificial fragrances, preservatives, and other additives that can irritate delicate tissue, especially when used repeatedly over time. Some formulas also evaporate quickly, leaving the skin dry again and requiring frequent reapplication. Natural oils work differently. Rather than simply creating a temporary layer on the surface, many plant oils contain vitamin E, healthy fatty acids, and antioxidant compounds that help nourish the skin while providing lasting lubrication. Because they are partially absorbed into the outer layers of the skin, they don't just reduce friction, they also help maintain hydration and support the skin's natural protective barrier. 1. Virgin coconut oil. The first oil I recommend is virgin coconut oil, and there's a good reason it's become one of the most trusted natural options. Virgin coconut oil contains natural compounds including lauric acid, medium-chain fatty acids, and vitamin E together. These nutrients help moisturize the skin while supporting its natural defenses. Men who are prone to occasional irritation often appreciate coconut oil because it creates a light protective barrier without feeling overly heavy. Another advantage is its ability to remain slippery for longer than many water-based products, reducing friction during extended use. Many men also tell me their skin feels softer and more comfortable after using it consistently for several weeks. To use it properly, warm a small amount between your hands until it melts completely, then apply a thin, even layer. There's no need to use excessive amounts, starting with less usually provides better control and greater comfort. While coconut oil is an excellent all-around choice for hydration and protection, the next oil is my favorite for men whose biggest concern is gradually declining sensitivity. That's where it truly stands out. 2. Sweet almond oil. The second oil I often recommend is one that many men have never considered, yet it offers remarkable support for agging skin. Dr. Jodie Whittaker calls it the sensitivity support oil, sweet almond oil. What makes sweet almond oil special is its balance. It's lighter than coconut oil, absorbs more easily, and is packed with nutrients that nourish both the skin and the tiny nerve endings responsible for sensation. This oil is naturally rich in vitamin E, along with several B vitamins that help support healthy skin renewal. It also contains beneficial fatty acids that help calm irritation and maintain the skin's protective barrier, when tissue stays healthy and well hydrated. It's better able to maintain comfort and responsiveness over time. Many men notice that sweet almond oil feels smooth without being overly greasy. Because it spreads so easily, only a small amount is needed to provide lasting lubrication. It's particularly well suited for men with sensitive skin who want something that feels light while still offering excellent protection against friction. If you're trying it for the first time, I always recommend performing a simple patch test on your inner arm and waiting 24 hours to ensure there's no allergic reaction. Men with tree nut allergies should choose another option instead. 3. Grapeseed oil. The third oil worth discussing is grapeseed oil. Although it's much thinner than coconut or almond oil, don't underestimate it. Grapeseed oil contains powerful antioxidants that help support healthy blood vessels while maintaining the skin's natural moisture barrier. Its silky texture absorbs quickly and leaves very little residue, making it an excellent choice for men who dislike heavier oils. Many of my patients appreciate how comfortable it feels, especially during longer use. While it may require occasional reapplication because of its lighter consistency, it offers an excellent balance between hydration, skin protection, and overall comfort. For men whose priority is healthy circulation together with a lightweight feel, grapeseed oil is one of the best natural options available. 4. Jojoba oil. The fourth oil I recommend is one of the most fascinating because of how closely it resembles your body's own natural skin oils. Dr. Jodie Whittaker often calls jojoba oil the balance restorer. Although it's commonly referred to as an oil, jojoba is technically a liquid wax. What's remarkable is that its structure is very similar to the natural protective oils your skin produces. Because of this, the skin recognizes it easily, allowing it to absorb smoothly without leaving a heavy or greasy feeling. For men over 50, this can be especially helpful. Agging skin often struggles to maintain the right moisture balance. Some areas become excessively dry while others produce oil unevenly. Jojoba helps support that natural balance by reinforcing the skin's protective barrier without blocking pores. It's also naturally rich in vitamin E, zinc, copper, and B-complex nutrients, all of which contribute to healthier skin repair and long-term tissue maintenance. With regular use, many men notice improved softness, better hydration, and greater overall comfort. Because jojoba is extremely stable, it also has an excellent shelf life and maintains its consistency well, making it one of the most dependable natural options for long-term use. 5. Argan oils. The fifth and final oil is often considered the premium choice, argan oil. Extracted from the kernels of the argan tree, this oil is packed with powerful antioxidants, healthy fatty acids, and exceptionally high levels of vitamin E. These nutrients help improve skin elasticity while supporting moisture retention and overall tissue health. Many men whose skin has become thinner or less flexible with age appreciate argan oil because it provides deep hydration without feeling sticky. Just a few drops are usually enough to cover the area comfortably. Although argan oil costs more than the other options we've discussed, a small bottle typically lasts for months. For men looking to invest in long-term skin health, it remains one of the finest natural choices available. Choosing the right oil for you. Now that we've covered the 5 oils, the next question is simple. Which one should you choose? Dr. Jodie Whittaker always tells her patients that the best oil isn't the most expensive one, it's the one that matches your skin's needs and that you'll use consistently. If your main goal is everyday protection and long-lasting moisture, virgin coconut oil is an excellent place to start. If you've noticed that sensitivity has gradually declined and your skin feels more delicate than it once did, sweet almond oil may be the better option because of its nourishing vitamins and lightweight texture. For men looking to support healthy circulation while keeping the skin hydrated without feeling greasy, grapeseed oil is an outstanding choice. If balance is your priority and you have particularly sensitive skin, jojoba oil is hard to beat because it closely resembles your body's own natural protective oils. And if you're looking for the most luxurious option with exceptional moisturizing properties, argan oil remains one of the finest natural choices available. Proper application and safety. No matter which oil you select, proper application is just as important as the oil itself. Warm a small amount between your hands before applying it. This allows it to spread evenly and feel more comfortable against the skin. Begin with about half a teaspoon, adding more only if necessary. If your goal is long-term skin health, consider applying the oil 5 to 10 minutes before use. This gives the skin enough time to absorb some of the beneficial nutrients while still maintaining a protective layer on the surface. One final safety reminder: if you're trying any new oil for the first time, always perform a simple patch test beforehand. And remember that oil-based lubricants should never be used with latex condoms, as they can weaken the material. If protection is needed, choose a compatible alternative or a suitable water-based product. Small precautions like these help ensure that your routine remains both safe and effective. The importance of consistency. Before we finish, I want to share one final piece of advice that many men overlook. During my 15 years of helping men improve their intimate health, I've learned that the oil you choose is only part of the equation. Consistency is what produces lasting results. Many men expect dramatic changes after a single application. That's simply not how healthy tissue repairs itself. Just like improving your heart health or building stronger muscles, healthy skin and nerve function respond to steady care over time. If you're serious about restoring comfort and supporting healthy sensitivity, commit to using your chosen oil regularly for at least 30 days. During that time, pay attention to how your skin feels. Many men begin noticing that the tissue becomes softer, more hydrated, and less prone to irritation. As the skin's protective barrier improves, comfort often improves as well. You can also combine certain oils for added benefit. For example, sweet almond oil paired with a small amount of vitamin E oil creates a nourishing blend that supports skin recovery and long-term hydration. Another excellent combination is jojoba oil mixed with argan oil, providing both immediate lubrication and deep moisturizing care. One word of caution regarding essential oils: some men like adding peppermint or lavender because of their fragrance or cooling sensation. However, these oils are highly concentrated and should never be applied directly to sensitive tissue. If you choose to use them, they must always be heavily diluted in a carrier oil, and only a tiny amount should be used. Finally, don't forget the basics. Wash the area before and after use. Store your oils in a cool, dark place, and replace any bottle that develops an unusual smell, changes color, or becomes noticeably thicker. Taking these simple precautions helps protect both your skin and your overall health while ensuring your routine remains safe, comfortable, and effective. Closing thoughts. As we come to the end of today's discussion, I want to leave you with one important thought. After more than 15 years of helping men improve their intimate health, I've realized that maintaining sensitivity and confidence after 50 isn't about finding a miracle product. It's about giving your body the consistent care it deserves. Too many men assume that declining sensitivity, reduced comfort, or less reliable firmness are simply unavoidable parts of aging. While growing older does bring natural changes, that doesn't mean you should ignore them. Healthy skin, good circulation, and proper tissue care all play an important role in preserving function over time. By choosing a quality natural oil, using it correctly, and making it part of your regular self-care routine, you're doing far more than improving comfort. You're helping protect delicate tissue, maintaining healthy hydration, reducing unnecessary friction, and supporting the circulation that those tissues rely on every day. Remember, these oils work best alongside a healthy lifestyle. Stay physically active, drink enough water, eat nutritious foods, get adequate sleep, and avoid habits like smoking that reduce healthy blood flow. When all of these habits work together, your body has a much better opportunity to maintain its natural function as the years go by. One final reminder: if you notice persistent pain, significant loss of sensation, skin changes, or ongoing erectile difficulties, don't assume it's simply age. Those symptoms may be signs of an underlying medical condition that deserves professional evaluation. Seeking help early often leads to better outcomes and greater peace of mind. So let me leave you with this: taking care of your intimate health isn't vanity, it's preventive health care. A few minutes of consistent care today may help preserve comfort, confidence, and quality of life for many years to come. Thank you for spending this time with me. If you found today's video helpful, let me know which natural oil surprised you the most in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more evidence-based men's health advice, and share this information with another man who deserves to age with confidence, strength, and dignity.